Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting a compatible USB 3.0 drive directly to the Xbox. Once done, the console detects it and prompts formatting. You choose Format for Games and Apps because that optimizes file structure and performance for installs. Make sure you back up any data first, since formatting erases the drive. After formatting completes, you'll be asked whether to make the drive your default install location. Decide now if you want future games placed automatically on the. You then go into Settings, choose System, and open Storage to view internal and external drives. This is where you manage installs. Once inside, pick a game or group and select Move or Copy. Use the fastest install location toggle to speed installs on SSDs. Make sure to move large titles in batches to avoid long transfer queues, and pause active downloads or background apps if transfer speeds lag. This keeps your system responsive while data shifts between drives. Once transfers finish, you should launch a Move title to confirm everything loads. This verifies game updates and save access. Make sure to safely remove the drive. Allow the console to finish any background writes before unplugging, because sudden removal can corrupt data. If the Xbox doesn't recognize the drive, try another USB port, ensure external power if required, and reformat the drive as Games and Apps (NTFS) from the console. These steps resolve most recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.